and today we're going to be doing bronzers. So yeah. So basically, makeup does go bad, so once in a while you need to clean it out, and basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going through them, see if they smell weird. If they're too orange, then we're going to donate them, but if they smell weird, we're just going to throw them away because like I don't want to get sick and I don't want to get anyone else sick. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing is the KKW Beauty, and I'm definitely not going to get rid of this. I'm not going to swatch it because we literally just did a video on this. I'll leave the link down below. So next we have this Chanel one. This one we had for a long time. So let's give it a swatch. That's actually pretty good. We're going to keep it, and it smells good too. Next is the It Cosmetics by Jane Curran Innovation Technology, whatever. And basically it's a bronzer, blush, and highlight. That's like a normal bronzer. So we're gonna keep it. Next is the MAC Beauty Powder. Okay, so I'll get rid of this one because it looks kind of gray and we don't really use it. Next are the butter bronzers, and we love these things, so we're just gonna keep them. Next is the MAC water droplet one. I love this packaging so much. And this is good. Doesn't look gray. Next is these chocolate. So next is the Chocolate Soleil by Too Faced. And it smells, oh my gosh, like chocolate, and I love these ones, so I'm probably gonna keep that. Yeah. Next we have the Hoola bronzer, and I'm not a fan of the Hoola bronzer, so we might get rid of it. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Next is another MAC one. Oh no, the MAC stuff we can back to MAC. That's not a bronzer. I don't know what you're doing. Next we have another MAC one, and I think we're gonna keep this. Yeah. Now we have another Too Faced one. That looks, oh. Yeah, that one's okay. We're gonna keep that. It's right there. It smells like chocolate. I have bronzer all over my nose. So here's what it looks like. So I'm going to be swatching mainly these two down here. Oh, that's gray, and that's orange, so we're going to get rid of this. I look like I went scuba diving in dirt. Oh, and we just recently got the Pretty Vulgar one, so we're going to keep that. Oh, we've had that for a long, long time. Catrice. No, we haven't. Never mind. That looks good. It looks good. Now we have two Tarte ones, and here's what they look like. These are good, but we're gonna like give one away. Since we have two of them and they're the same thing, we're gonna donate one. Like, I don't know. Next is the NYX Cheek Contour Duo Palette. This is still not open, so I'm gonna keep that. Next is the NYC New York Color Smooth Skin. It has the sun. This was very popular, and it still works. This is a ColourPop highlighter, so. Now here's a little Laura Mercier little bronzer, and that works, so I'm gonna keep that. That's a highlighter. Now we have a bunch of like sticks. My mom loves these, so I'm gonna keep these for her. Next is the Anastasia Contour Kit. And what do you think I'm gonna do with this? I'm gonna keep it. Because there's like a banana powder, there's like a setting powder, there's like all these bronzers, yeah. Next we have a sponge one, which we just got recently, so I'm gonna keep that. This we got not a while ago. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of this one since it's orange. This one is not, I mean, yes it is opened. So here's what it looks like. It's the L'Oreal one. And I'll keep it. It's like a decent, good bronzer. This next one we had for a very long time from a sweet subscriber. And here's what it looks like. It looks like chocolate. And it's still, oh, that's so good. It smells good too. This used to be my favorite bronzer because it smelled like food. So, ew, it doesn't smell like chocolate anymore. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this one since it doesn't smell like its original smell. It doesn't smell like chocolate. And we're gonna get rid of this one because I think it's... These are the same ones. So I'm gonna get rid of both of these because we don't like them. Next is the Becca one. And that looks like a golden highlighter. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 highlighters in here. Next is the Pure Glow Together. That's a bronzer, okay. Yeah, this is good. Next is the Tarte one, which looks good. There's like a bunch of different shades. This is good. Next is this one from, I don't know, KK, huh? I don't know, but it looks like a moon. And yes, it still works. Okay, we're gonna get rid of this one. Pretty sure I saw this when I was 5. And it's orange, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Next thing is the L'Oreal Glam Bronzer. Yep. I look a stutter to everything I say. This is good. Ow. Ow. Scratch myself. Next is the bronzer from Milani. So here's the Milani one, and it's a good color, but it smells terrible, so I'm gonna throw this away. Next is the Amuge DIY Contour Trio. And it's like a really dark shade. They look gray. And they smell bad. So I'm gonna get rid of that one. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over everything like I'm keeping and everything I'm gonna get rid of. So I'll do the keeping first. I don't know the brand, Kiko Cosmetics one. The Tarte one. The Pure one. The It Cosmetics. The KKW Beauty one. The Anastasia one. The Bonjourist one. The L'Oreal Infallible one. The Cushion one. The Pretty Vulgar one. The NYX one. The Chanel one. The Butter Bronzers. The Chocolate one by Too Faced. The Laura Mercier one. The Tarte one. The MAC. Another MAC. And then the NYC one. And then these sticks. The Too Faced one. Another one. The Catrice Sun Glow. And then I'm going to keep the L'Oreal one. So those are the ones I'm going to keep. And the one I'm getting rid of or donating are the Trio one. The Too Faced one. Both of the Sephora ones. It's Formula One. Milani. The Tarte. The Revlon. And the Hoola. And the MAC bronzer. So that's all the things I'm getting rid of or donating. So our next video of the clean out is probably going to be our eyeshadows because we have so many. It's going to be divided in 3 parts. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Cooper 12. Bye!